in every facet of life. And he's a tribalized Nigerian. He has sent us here to welcome all members, all delegates, state governors, and Mr. President to APC National Convention 2026. He has sent us here to make everybody understand that the choice before Nigeria is Tinubu or Tinubu. Tinubu is the right choice. He has been doing well. We should give him more chance to do better. The cadence of almost 3 decades or over 3 decades cannot be corrected in just a few years. To this end, it is good we give him more chance to come and right the wrongs of decades. However, Popular made us to set us to tell Nigerians that PBAT is the right choice. And with PBAT door-to-door movement, we are not going to rest on our horses. We are going to ensure that we mobilize heavily. We mobilize in thousands, we mobilize in millions to ensure that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is returned elected in 2027. I want to sound this clearly. The PBAT door-to-door span through the 36 states of Nigeria, FCT inclusive. You can see the buses, the branded buses. More are still on their way coming. We can tell you that this movement is not the movement of celebrity. It is the movement of the masses. This movement is hell-bent on mobilizing critical voters, the main voters, not celebrities. We are not after, we are after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's victory in 2027. We are not going to rest until this man is re-elected. He has started well, and there is a lot of dividends of democracy in this government, and we want that to continue, and that must be done in 2027. I want to state this unequivocally, that come next year, everybody should come out in millions, mobilize. This is a vote for your future. This is a vote for your family. This is a vote for yourself. The era of voting for gluttons, the era is past gone. The era of voting for haters of Nigeria, enemies of Nigeria, that era is gone. This era, we are here to vote conscience. We are here to vote for our own man, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I want to assure you all that when you vote this man, for instance, look at Nelfon scheme. It's a very good scheme under this government. And I can tell you that there are more in the bags. There are more in the bags that this government is willing to dish out. Please, this is an appeal to every conscientized Nigerians that we should all mobilize in our millions and re-elect President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This man is a lover of Nigeria. I can tell you that he has nothing to take again at his age and what he has made. I can tell you that he's not a desperate politician. I am yet to meet him in person, but I can tell you for free that what he has done, what he is doing, and what he will continue to do is enough to take Nigeria or to make Nigeria El Dorado, to take Nigeria to a promised land. Please, like I said earlier, this message is coming from our own father, the grand patron and founder of this movement, High Chief Dr. Government, always there, of the greatest Nigerians. Of the greatest Nigerians. I can assure you that come next year, this movement is going to be massive than what you are seeing today. Thank you and God bless
we shall stand. We shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. We shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. We shall stand. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate we shall stand.
Please, waiting for the abortion of that contract or for the contract to be given to somebody else. These are enemies of Nigerians. I can tell you that these are oil bunkers who are aggrieved, who are angry that Tompolo have come to set the pace afresh. These are people who are angry because they have been feeding fat on our collective patrimony. They have been feeding fat on our pipeline. These are oil bunkers, and they are angry that the number of barrels turning out daily now